In recent years, the global scientific community has shifted its focus from temporary treatments toward regenerative solutions for chronic conditions. One breakthrough stands out: blood sugar support for type 2 diabetes through targeted beta cell repair and restoration. Inside the pancreas, beta cells play a crucial role in insulin production. For individuals with I type 2 diabetes, these cells often become impaired due to long-term metabolic stress. But studies now confirm the regenerative potential hidden within our biology and how specific nutrients can trigger their recovery. Introducing a natural formula designed to awaken dormant cellular pathways. This plant-based compound has shown the ability to improve glucose sensitivity, reduce dependence on synthetic medications, and revitalize endocrine function, all while supporting blood sugar levels naturally. Clinical trials reveal consistent patterns. Participants using this formula not only stabilized their glucose levels, but also demonstrated signs of cellular regeneration. Measurable shifts in pancreatic activity suggest that beta cell repair is possible without invasive interventions. What makes this solution extraordinary is its non-habit forming profile. Free from stimulants and GMOs, the formula relies on the body's natural capacity to heal. By reinforcing membrane integrity and promoting insulin regulation, it supports long-term metabolic health. This video explores the data, mechanisms, and testimonials behind this innovation. From peer-reviewed research to biochemical modeling, we examine how blood sugar support for type 2 diabetes is now achievable through plant intelligence and cellular science. Join us in uncovering how a natural formula, backed by rigorous testing, is leading a new era of healing, restoring the pancreas, repairing beta cells, and proving that regenerative potential is more than a theory. It's now a measurable path to freedom from type 2 diabetes.